Here it goes. I don't know if he's gonna be 22 inches. Yep, they're covered with fish. Hey guys, good morning. We're heading out of Panacea, Florida. Gonna go do a little grouper fishing this morning. Sun's just coming up. Got some fresh flounder heads for bait. And we are gonna go out and see if we can't find a few grouper today. We're going out of Panacea. Sun's just coming up while we were putting the boat in, and we're headed out now, just easing out. We're on stop number one. We're going down looking for some grouper.
Small grouper. Small grouper.
Small grouper. Oh, is that a red?
Red.
If you love fishing, please subscribe. Fish just surfaced right over there. Hit him, Matt. Another little grouper.
He ain't quite big enough, man. That'd be 22. Good God, what a fun he done caught. Aim this way, Matt.
Matt's got another little red grouper. We're looking for this guy's grandpa. Okay, Don, what you got? There you go.
That's what we wanted. Hee-haw, Matthew.
Nice. That's a good one.
Might be a big one down there with that red grouper.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I got a bite. It might be a grunt. It was probably a grunt. Missed him. I had a bite. I missed him. Feels like maybe a little grouper. No, it looks like a grunt. Oh my! Them grunts is hungry today. Matt's on. We don't know what he's got, but it's coming up. It's a little bitty grouper. Woohoo! Target species, miniature. Yep, they're down there. And there he is, grunt. There he comes. Red. I don't know if he's gonna be 22 inches. Oh, he ain't hooked good.
22, he gotta be 20.
Oh, 20.
That's a keeper.
He might be there.
Told you that bottom was full of
Yeah, they're covered with fish. Sweet.
you. I told you. That thing catch right there. Matt, told you when you get one, it'll be one. He'll be a keeper. That thing shut me. I big on the red, probably. Where he's at.
Don is on a grouper over there.
Ooh, no, it's a gag, boys. My limit's up.
Gag grouper.
My limit's up.
That's a nice one. Look at that. The groupers have quit biting for a little bit, so we're trying to fire them up by catching some grunts. And Matt's bringing in a grunt now. And there he is. Mr. Grunt. I got one too.
Y'all get them grunt back. I'll get it.
All right, deal. Looking for the next one. Yep, I see it. Yeah, you got one too.
He done learned how to catch grunt on that big hook. He can catch grouper now. I'll tell you what, I had a group out here and the whole bottom was moving with grouper.
Man, it was. I mean,
we couldn't keep, they couldn't nobody catch them. So they wanted to snatch them. The boys from Georgia. So, my buddy, my dad, I said, son, hold that up for that. He couldn't jump out too. I said, we got
yep, a little grouper.
little one. Yeah.
That was bigger than that guy. Little bitty grunt. We had a little grouper biting. Throw him back.
You know they got to be big groupers.
Yeah, there's got to be some down there. Matt's gonna get one on that little pole in a minute. Give me that hook back, I'm gonna let you go. Pretty little red grouper, heading back, growing up. Starting to bite pretty quick now. You better put that flounder head back down.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't even get to the bottom, good that guy hit. I'm gonna try out the grunt pole. I have to remember you gotta pull the straight hook up. I'm so used to using circles. No, we circle hook most of the catfish. Yep, yep. 6/0, 8/0.
Now you want that box for him right there.
That's a good grunt. Hang on, man. I'm talking this guy to get on this hook back. All right. We got a few of them. This might be a little grouper, a big grunt. Must be a good grunt. He's fighting hard. Here he comes. Yep, that's a grunt. Time catching these grunts. They're wearing out the other fish, but I'm getting the grunts. Oh, that's a little guy.
Yeah, man, I like my old boat. I just got to finish up down there and repack these things.
I'm very impressed with it.
And on this.
That'd be fun. This feels like a little better fish. Maybe it's grandpa grunt. He's working. Oh. He went in a rock. Well, we've caught enough grunts. We've got the grouper fired back up. Matt and Don both have had a bite, so I'll keep catching these groupers, see if we can't, or these grunts, see if we can't keep them fired up. Oh, he broke the hook off. This is a good grunt here. Matt, you'll flip that lid and I'll drop him in there. There we go. Thank you. Now he's wedged in there. Let's see if I can get the. I can't get the.
But when one hits like that, if you don't get that, you don't get the head up out of there.
Yeah, it tucks under that rock.
It goes right down in the rock every time. Well, it broke loose, but he was pulling on it. You seen him pull on it?
Yeah. He was fighting to stay under that rock, wasn't he?
Yep. But you got to be.
Looks like today we got a couple of groupers and we got a bunch of grunts. Had a pretty good time out there today, catching all these fish. We had a good day out fishing with Don and Matt. Caught a bunch of grunts and a couple of good grouper. Hooked into a couple of really good grouper that we couldn't get out of the rock. If you love fishing, please subscribe.